Righto, another tale of mountain biking woe. Riding the other day, had a very hard shunt going over a rock garden, and I know that this tyre, this excellent Maxxis, has a slow leak somewhere, but how do you find a slow leak? So I'll show you what I do. What we've got here is a little bit of water, tap water, and 1 drop of dishwashing liquid. That's all you need. And I think it's leaking. Aha! Found it straight away. So that's what you do. The soapy water test. You can check the valve. Valve looks okay. But down here, let's go around the outside. So all you got to do is paint it on. That's all alright. And that's where the leak is. Alright, problem solved. Okay, so once you've identified your leak, what do? Well, obviously this is a tutorial for tubeless tyres, because if you had tubes, you wouldn't really care about leaks in the outside of your tyres. You'd have your tube out, you'd do the bucket water test, you'd be looking for bubbles, and you would be patching your tube. But for tubeless, I use this stuff, tyre sealant, and I use a syringe and a little bit of flexible tube. Basically, take your cap off, screw your valve out, suck some jizz up into your syringe and inject a little bit down with the valve facing down like so, and swirl it around. Make sure you get all of the white goop on the inside of the tyre, and your leak will soon be self-sealed.